Hey, what's going on everybody? Dave back again, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at something I was super stoked when they ended up announcing it and then waiting for it to come out. Now, there are two versions of this. There is a limited edition, which you can get over, I think it Bluefin or Bandai, Bandai US, which is a metallic coating. I'm not going to bother with that because they want $120 for it. And as it is, this was expensive enough as it is. But I ended up picking this up from NEWTYPE. Use code Starshadow for an added 10% to your order. Not a discount, they'll actually add 10% to your order. This is the Bandai Labo Asuka Langley. I'm not exactly sure what scale this comes in. I know it's bigger than 8th scale. I think it's somewhere around maybe 7th scale. It's not 6th scale. But either way, we're going to crack this open, take a look at everything. I have seen people do different things with this. The clear parts on the bodysuit, I've seen people actually peeling those off, and she actually has skin underneath that. Some people are painting it that way. I don't know what we're going to end up doing with this, but we're just going to do a straight build with it to start off with. So without further ado, let's jump down the table, take a look at what comes in the box, the instructions, the runners, and then close out this video. All right, so here we are with the box. You've got the front side. You do have a decal up or a sticker up here saying official product Evangelion. It is in one of those hollow foil. Evangelion 2.0. You cannot advance. Asuka Langley figurized Labo layered injections. Taking a look at this side of the box. Let's see, shows all you really need is nippers, prototype, just what it ends up looking like. On the other side, it gives you some information about their different injections. And on the back side, you've just got the nerve symbol. Let's take a look what comes in the box. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baggies, assembly instructions, and another assembly instructions. Let's get these out of the bag and take a look at the runners. Taking a look at the first sheet of instructions, very simple. It's normally the warnings that they have in the beginning here. Nothing super special. On the other instructions, they've done these like the high grades where it's a fold out instruction. So you've got page 1, page 2 that has all your runner layout, page 3 you're beginning a build, you've got page 4 and 5, and then they continue on the backside with a build. And it's kind of curious that they did a red on the backside but color on the front side. Just kind of weird. But there you go with your instructions. Taking a look at the runners, here you are, and this is going to be the main body. This is runner A, and you actually have several colors being injected in here, which I think is very curious. You have this peachy color, which is going to be her suit part. You have the yellow part, which is going to be her bra, which I'm actually kind of curious because I've seen people peel off this part, and I've seen people using like the pry tools like I end up having, but I would think this feels like if you just hit it with a hairdryer, that would peel right off. I'm not for sure for that, but we may end up trying it if I end up getting another one. But you do get the yellow parts, which are going to be for her bra. You get some booty and the arms, main body. I do like the fact that it gives depth with the thickness of this peach color that's in here. Very cool concept. So I have to say, I'm actually impressed. The white is in a gloss, the black is in a matte, and then matte for the skin and everything. This is the backside of it. You actually have the skin color, a brown, a black, the white. I really like how they're doing these. Runner C, you're going to have some gray parts down here. You're going to have red. You're going to have your green. You're going to have the clear blue for the base, which actually says Evangelion on there. You have an inset on here that actually says test. Runner E, this is going to be in red, and man, look at that. It is super high gloss. So yeah, you get hands, you get the legs, you get all the different parts that are on here. Man, this is shiny. Runner F, this is going to be the hair, and the camera isn't quite catching the color of it right. It is a matte. It is a brownish color. There's no definition to it or anything. It's all the same. Of course, you know, it's all injected, but I think it actually looks pretty damn good for being basically what you're doing is you're building the equivalent of a PVC figure for your shelf out of plastic. That's literally what you're doing. This runner right here is G1. This is going to have your internal main body in here, which I think this is part of the neck over here, but just 2 pieces on this runner. Runner G2, this is going to be in a, I don't know how to describe this color. It has a greenish blue tinge to it, but also kind of gray. You have a bottom of the soles of the feet, which actually have spikes on there. kind of curious on that. You have the inset for the backpack that says test. You have the little, I don't know, antennas for her wrist. They had pieces on here and a couple of other little things. So yeah, very, very cool. And lastly, before I forget, you do get a set of stickers. Crappy stickers. I almost forgot this runner right here. This is runner C, and it actually got bounced to the side. This is just the eyes. So you have blue, black, and it looks interesting. We'll have to see what it looks like on her, but yeah, this is literally just the eye insets. So kind of curious, kind of cool. So in closing, you get 8 runners, 1 sticker sheet, and an instruction manual. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm actually going to work on this. I may do a short like snap build of it and record that and then put that up too. If that's something that you'd like to see, definitely hit that like button. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I'm always doing new content. I stream live on Thursdays and Fridays here and sometimes on Twitch at the same time, but mostly here on YouTube because this is my home. I want to thank you guys all for tuning in. Remember, use code Starshadow to add 10% to your order over at NEWTYPE because that's where I ended up picking this up. It was overly expensive, but they had it in stock and I wanted to do this for you guys. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.